Welcome you all to see the video lecture concept on data structure, that is inserting a node at specified position in doubly linked list. Okay, so what is inserting a node at specified position in doubly linked list are, so we are having n number of nodes present in the list. Okay, we are going to insert at a specified position. It may be a second position, it may be a third position, it may be an end of the position. Okay, that is called as a specified position. Alright, so what we have to do is, and insert a node in specific position in the list, we need to skip the required number of nodes that we call as an, we having 5 nodes means we are going to insert at a third position, means we have to skip node 1 as well as node 2, that is skip the required number of nodes in order to reach the previous node of the desired position node. Okay, what is our aim is, so take an example, we have 5 nodes. I'm going to insert the third node means, so I'm going to find out the second node, that is a previous node of the desired position node, and make the pointer adjustment as required. So this is the possibilities we have to make certain decision in inserting a node at specified position. Alright, so take an example, this is a existing nodes. Alright, existing node means this is the first node, this is second node, third node. I'm going to insert in this position. Okay, it should be in the middle of the position, it may be in the second node or third node or fourth node, anything else. So this is the possibilities. So I'll be later explain example program so you can able to understand. Alright, okay, this is an example. So what the example says, so I'm having 4 nodes. Alright, so node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. So each node occupies a different address. Alright, so 1010, okay, 2020, third node occupies 1000, and then fourth node occupies 2000. Alright, this is a unique address. In a doubly linked list, each node occupies 3 fields. One is called as a previous field, second is data field, and then a third one called as a next field. Alright, there's 2 pointer called as a next pointer, this is called the previous pointer. So first is called as a head pointer, header pointer point to the first node in the linked list. Okay, first node is called as this is 1010. Alright, so what is our aim is, so I'm going to create a new node. Okay, that is new node value is 50. Okay, and that I'm going to assign a certain address 2200, previous address, that is previous field, and the next field having null, initially null. Okay, I'm going to insert at a specified position. Okay, before inserting at node at position 3. Position 3 is, this is the first position, second position, this third position. I'm going to identify this position, the second node, that is previous node. After disconnect this link and make adjustment, that is a previous node and next node. Alright, and the connection from the new node to the this node. Alright, so after inserting a node at a specific position, so we have to make a link. Okay, we have to change this address and change this address also, and make link from the node, that is new node to the previous node, new node to the next node. Alright, so this is an example, so later we have to see. I'm going to give the example program. Alright, so what is the example program is, this is void is return type, insert underscore function is there is method or function name, so int x. Okay, I'm going to insert a certain value, it may be 20, it may be 30, it may be 40. Alright, int position, okay, which is the position you are going to insert certain element in the linked list. Alright, and then struct node, I'm going to create a 2 different types of pointer. One is called as going to create a new node. Okay, I'm going to create a new node and then going to assign the temporary pointer, because I'm going to identify which is the exact position to be inserted. Okay, that I'm going to create a temporary pointer, and then I'm going to assign temporary pointer equal head pointer. Alright, this is very important. Temp pointer can able to move from one node to another node. Okay, that is a very important key role in a doubly linked list. Alright, and then I'm going to create a memory allocation using malloc function. Alright, and then new node pointer data equal to x. Okay, what is the value of x? X is nothing but 10. Okay, so I'm going to insert a certain value into my linked list. Okay, new node defines data. Okay, this is new node, pointer data is nothing but 10. Alright, I'm going to initialize a certain variable I. Okay, that is return type is integer. After that, so this is very important. What is the important one is to check whether given node is empty or not. Okay, if node is empty means I could not able to insert any element in the linked list. Okay, first I'm going to check head equal to null. If head equal to null means list is empty, straight away we can able to insert at the a certain position, in first position only. Alright, so take an example. If position equal to 1, okay, x equal to 10, I'm going to give a certain position. Okay, what the value of position is? Position equal to 1 means, okay, 1 equal to 1, condition true or false, condition true. I'm going to insert the first position because list is empty. Alright, I'm going to create a new node for this. So what is the new node? New node is nothing but value 10 and then address is 3000, previous field and the next field occupies null. Okay, because this is initialized a new node into my list. After that, so new node previous. What is new node previous? This is new node. 3000 previous is nothing but null. Okay, have you understand this? Okay, new node previous nothing but null, and then new node next is nothing but null. Okay, this is new node 3000 point to next field address equal to null. I understand because this is the first node, this is last node, and then head equal to new node. What is the value of new node? The value of new node is nothing but 3000. Okay, head equal to 3000. Okay, automatically this head pointer can be changed head equal null into 3000. Okay, that is head equal to 3000. Alright, so we have to create a link from head pointer to the first node of the given linked list. Okay, the element percentage d is nothing, x is nothing but 10. The element 10 is inserted successfully at the position percentage d. Percentage d is nothing but position. What position? Inserted at position 1. Okay, I am getting output. This is the first possibilities. Okay, I understand this. And second one, okay, we are going to insert at the any position in the existing given linked list. Before concept, we have to check whether list is empty or not. If list is empty, means we are going to insert at a first position. Okay, that is the first element, that is the last element. Here, insert at the middle of any position in the given linked list. Alright, so take an example. I am having 4 nodes. Alright, so this is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Each node having previous field, next field, and data fields. Okay, and then unique address, that is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Alright, so initially I am going to insert a new node at this position. Okay, my position is at 3. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I am going to insert this position. Alright, so I am going to give this position equal to 3. Alright, position equal to 3. So understand, I am going to create a new node. Okay, new node value is 50, that is x equal to 50. Alright, and then previous field, next field having initially null. Okay, new node address is 5000. Okay, already I explained head equal to temporary pointer. Okay, for initialization, head equal to, that is temp equal to head. Okay, alright, here head pointer point to the first node of the given linked list. What is the first node? 1000. Alright, same thing already explained, that is temp equal to head. Alright, so what is temp equal to head means? What is the head value? 1000. Okay, automatically 1000 also represent temp equal to 1000. Alright, temp also pointing to the first node in the given linked list. Okay, so what are the important things of a temporary pointer is? So my aim is going to insert at the position 3. Okay, head pointer does not move from one node to another node and reaches the destination, but temporary pointer can able to move from first node, second node, third node, simultaneously goes on, okay, reaches the certain destination. Okay, my aim is going to insert the position 3, that is third position. The temporary pointer identify the previous node destination. Okay, this is my destination. They are going to identify this destination, that is a previous node field. Okay, how can I able to identify? Okay, else part, that is if part is check whether list is empty or not. If the list is empty means we are going to insert the position 1. Okay, we are having n number of nodes means we have to follow this condition. For int I, that is I is initialized before itself, I equal to 1, I less than position minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, what is the value of position? Position is 3. What is the value of I? 1. Okay, 1 less than position minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 means 2. Okay, condition true or false? So condition true. Here they are going to identify temp pointer next. Okay, what is the value of temp pointer next? Temp is 1000. Okay, pointer next. Okay, they're going to point to next. What is the value? It's going to point to the value as 2000. Okay, they're going to increment the pointers. Before temp equal 1000, after temp equal 2000. Alright, I understand. I'm going to explain again. Temp equal temp define next. Okay, this temporary pointer can move from first node to second node to third node, identify the which is the best location to insert a certain element in the linked list. Alright, so temp define next. Temp is nothing but 1000, pointer next is 2000. Okay, so that is temp equal 2000. Okay, automatically a temporary pointer can be changed into 2000 because temp equal temp define next. Here it should be changed into 2000, and then we have to make a link from temp into second node. Okay, temp equal second node, and then you have to check the condition if temp equal to equal null. Okay, why you are using this condition is later I will be explained. If we are having n number of nodes, that is 4 nodes, if you try to insert the fifth position means there are less than 5 elements in the linked list they are going to display. Alright, the position is not identified in the given linked list. Like this I am going to display to the users or screen, and then this condition is false because temp is 2000. After that I should be incremented into 2 because I equal to 1, and then later I should be incremented into 2. Alright, 2 less than 2 because position is 3, 3 minus 1, condition true or false, condition false, it should be fail. Okay, so what is our aim of temporary pointer? So my aim is to insert this position, identify the before node, that is a predecessor node we are identified. Okay, this is my exact position I am going to insert. Alright, I am going to insert this position, identify this position, that is, have you understand? Okay, what is the temp value? 2000. Alright, so I am going to insert this position. How can I able to insert? Okay, there is another scenario. Alright, so another scenario is my temporary pointer point to which location? That is this node. Temporary pointer point to the second node in the given linked list. Alright, second node given linked list, and then this is my new node. I am going to insert this position. Okay, so using this condition, so we have to verify. So how can I able to identify this condition? Because so I am going to create a link from this next field to this field, and then previous field to next field, and then make connection between new node next field to 3000 node, and then 3000 node to new node. Like that we have to make a connection because my exact position is this position. Okay, this position is I am going to insert because third position. Okay, node 1, node 2. I'm going to insert this position because we identify the temporary pointer equal to 2000. Alright, so how can I able to make a link from this node to new node? Okay, and then how can, so new node pointer next. Okay, this is new node pointer next. Okay, we have to change this location. So how can I able to modify? Alright, how can I able to modify? So new node next, new node is 5000 next, 5000 next is, this is location null. Okay, should be changed into temp of next. Okay, what is temp of next? I'm going to create a link from this location to that location. Alright, so I'm going to create a link. So how can I able to create a link? I'm going to create a link from this location. Once again, this is new node, already have node. Alright, so I'm going to create a new node, created new node, the value is 50. Okay, that is x is equal to 50. I'm going to make a pointer, that is new node next is this location equal temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp is 2000, 2000 next, 2000 next is nothing but 2000 next is nothing but 3000. Okay, so I'm going to create a link what the aim is. Here I have to delete these pointers, the later I'll be delete. Okay, I'm going to create the settle link from this location. Alright, so how can I will create? That is new node next is this location equal temp of next. What is temp? Temp is 2000, 2000 next is nothing but 3000. Okay, this is going to point to the this node address. Okay, we cannot able to directly access this location using temporary pointer. We can able to access straight away. It can be able to change into, should be changed into 3000. Have you understand? We have to create a link from new node to the next node and then later, and then new node previous nothing but null. Okay, should be changed. We have to create a link from previous node to this 2000 address. So how can I able to make a link? That is new node previous equal temp. Temp is nothing but 2000. Okay, what is the value of temp? Here 3000. Okay, here temp is nothing but 2000. Okay, automatically it should be changed into 2000. So we have to create a link from this location to that location. Okay, have created. Alright, and then this link should be disconnected. Okay, how can I able to disconnect this location means, and then we have to make a link, from this pointer to this location. Alright, how can I able to change this address? Because it's going to refer the 2000 does not able to make a link. Okay, there should be change in it. How can I able to change this? Temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp of next is 2000, 2000 next is 3000. Okay, temp of next is, this is temp of next equal to new node. Temp of next is new node. What is new node? Okay, that is later I'll be explained. Okay, here we have to change. Okay, later I'll be explain that link. Here we have to change. Alright, how can I able to change? That is this link to this link. How can I able to change? Because this should be communicated from second node to newly node. That is temp of next. What is temp of next? This is the temp of next. That is 3000. Point to the which node? Which node is? That is new node. Okay, here going to represent 5000. Okay, the link is automatically created. Okay, and finally this link should be made from third node to, that is previously third node to the newly node. Okay, how can I able to create? How can I able to create? Okay, we could not able to directly communicate with this node. Alright, so using the temporary pointer we can able to create. What is new node? So new node is 5000. Alright, so new node is 5000, and then 5000 next. What is 5000 next? 5000 next is nothing but 3000. Alright, so 5000 next is, that is new node next is 3000. Alright, 3000 pointer, that is 3000 is, this is 3000 previous nothing but is 2000. Alright, this 2000 equal to new node. Okay, have to change this 2000 into 5000, because this is new node. I have created a link. Alright, so this is the way we have to insert, and then this link should be automatically disconnected from the linked list. Alright, here I am going to draw it properly. This is a link. Okay, and then this is the link, and the link is communicated. Okay, so once again I am going to explain. So new node next equal to 10. New node next is, this is new node next is 3000. Okay, previously we have to create a link from new node to the next node, and then that is temp equal to next. New node previous. What is new node previous? New node previous, we have to make a link from previous node, that is temp. What is the value of temp? 2000. We have to create it. And then temp of next. Temp of next is, this is temp of next, should be changed into, temp of next should be changed into 5000. Okay, temp of next equal to new node. So temp of next is, should be changed into 5000, because then only we have to create a link. We have created a proper link. Alright, so then the element %d is inserted successfully at position %d. What is the value of x? X is 50. Okay, and then position is at which position? First position, second position, third position. Position equal 3 is inserted properly. So this is the way we have to insert any element at specified position in the doubly linked list. Alright, have you understand? Okay, another scenario. So take this example. Take the example means, alright, here. So position equal to 5. Okay, so position equal to 5. So how many elements are present in the given linked list? Only 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we are going to identify the position and insert it properly in the given linked list. Alright, so position equal to 5. Alright, for I equal to 1, I less than position minus 1. What is the position? 5. 5 minus 1 means, okay, here I is, that is position minus 1. 5 minus 1 4. For the value of 5, 1 less than 4. Condition true or false? Condition true. You can able to enter inside the loop. Alright, and then so temp equal temp next. What is the value of temp? Temp is temp equal head. Alright, temp equal head means it's going to point to the first location in the given linked list. So why I am saying is, if we are having insert at the specified position, we cannot able to insert at the 5th position. Okay, to solve this problem, okay, temp equal to 1000. Alright, and then temp equal temp of next. So what is the value of temp here? What is the value of temp here? That is temp of next. Temp of next is 2000. Okay, the new value temp is 2000. Alright, automatically temp should be changed into 2000. Okay, have you understand? 2000. Okay, the pointer can able to make a link from the first node to second node. Alright, and then if temp equal to null, what is the value of temp? Temp is 2000 equal to null. Condition true or false? Condition fails. Okay, and then I should be incremented. I should be incremented into 2 because I equal to 1. Okay, I should be incremented into 1 into 2. Okay, 2 less than 4. Condition true or false? Condition true. Okay, condition true means it can able to enter inside the for loop. And then temp of next. What is the value of temp? Temp is 2000. 2000 next is 3000. So automatically the value should be, temp should be changed into 2000 into 3000. Alright, and then if temp equal to null, what is the value of temp? Temp is 3000 equal to null. Condition fails. Okay, the temp should be changed, the pointer should be changed and then make a link to the third node in the given linked list, and then temp should be changed into 3000. Into 3000. I understand. Alright, and then temporary pointer point to third node in the given linked list, and then after that I should be incremented into 1. That is, I is 2 should be incremented into 1 means 3. Okay, I should be changed, that is 3. 3 less than 4. Condition true or false? Condition true. If condition true means temp equal temp of next. What is the value of temp? Temp is 3000. 3000 next. 3000 next is 4000. Okay, automatically temp should be changed into 4000. Alright, 4000. Then if temp equal to null. Alright, condition true or false? Condition fails and I should be incremented. Alright, I should be incremented into 1. That is 4. Okay, 4 less than 4. Later I will be explained. What is the value of temp? Temp is 4000, and then pointer should be changed. Temp equal to 4000, and then this link is terminated from the third node to point to the fourth node in the given linked list. Okay, temp is 4000, and then we have to check the condition 4 less than 4, because I should increment 3 into 4. 4 less than 4, condition true or false? Condition, this should be fails. Alright, condition fails. Do you understand? Condition fails means it never executed, and then if temp equal to null. Alright, how can I able to identify this position? Okay, so temporary pointer point to which location? This location, that is 4000, point to next node in the given linked list. Okay, if next node means that is null. Alright, if this condition satisfied means, alright, there are less than percentage d elements, that is my aim is to insert the fifth position. This one, position 1, position 2, position 3 and position 4. Fifth position is could not able to insert properly because only 4 elements present in given links. I can able to insert at first position, second position, third position or fourth position. Okay, I could not able to insert at the fifth position. Condition fails, and then if temp equal to null. Okay, temp is nothing but this is temp. Well, temp equal to null. Null equal to null means there are less than 5 elements present in the given linked list. Okay, this is the possibilities we can able to insert an element in a specific position. Okay, so for overview, first we have to check whether the given list is empty or not, and then if list is empty we have to insert at the position 1 only. Okay, later we are having existing element present in the given linked list means we have to identify the position and then we have to insert the element in the given linked list. Okay, so thank you for watching this.